Want to run a sale, reward loyalty, or attract new customers with a promo? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and manage discount codes in your Shopify admin. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Discount codes are a powerful marketing tool, and Shopify gives you full control over how, when, and who can use them. First, from your Shopify admin, go to Discounts and click Create Discount. You'll choose between a percentage, fixed amount, or free shipping discount. Then, you'll enter your unique code, like Summer 10. Next, set the conditions for the discount. You can make it apply to specific collections, a minimum purchase amount, or all products. You can also set usage limits and an expiration date to create urgency. Configure the customer eligibility, whether everyone can use it, only specific groups, or it's a one-time use code. Once you save it, the discount code is active and ready to be shared in your marketing campaigns. A crucial pro tip: for better tracking, create unique codes for different marketing channels, e.g., INSTA 10 for Instagram, YouTube 15 for YouTube. This helps you identify which campaigns are driving the most sales and revenue. And just like that, you have a powerful promotional engine at your fingertips. Creating strategic discounts is a proven way to boost traffic and clear inventory. What's your most successful type of discount? Percentage off, free shipping, or something else? Let me know below. To manage the cost of fulfillment, watch our next video on how to create Shopify shipping rates. Thanks for watching.